Welcome to African Multi Design. My name is Zanele. If we're meeting for the very first time, our channel focuses on empowering content creators, entrepreneurs, and giving them tools and tips, preferably free, in order for them to get their businesses online. So join me. Let's go do this. So in this video, we're going to break down digital marketing so that we all understand what is digital marketing. So first of all, let's define marketing because it's something that we're used to. Marketing is a process that one takes to promote, showcase their business or their product or services so that people are aware of whatever they are offering. And that is marketing. You're promoting and you're sharing with everyone. So with digital marketing, you're doing it online. You're promoting, you're showcasing your product or services to the world and you're saying, hey, world, this is what I do. So when we are talking about digital marketing, what I want to talk about is in the olden days, we used to market our products by printing out flyers, and we would go out and print out 1,000 flyers and then go and stand at the corner where the cars go by and then give one. There are businesses that still do that. It's part of marketing and advertising. That's okay. So with digital marketing, you are showcasing your business, or you are selling, or you're telling people about your product online or digitally. You're using digital channels to say to people, this is my product, this is what I do, and this is how the product can help or change your life. So when you're looking at digital marketing, you need to stop and think, if I was printing out flyers, would I just print one flyer and send it to the robot and give out one flyer to the car and then move out? Will I be telling the whole world about my product or my services if I printed just one flyer? So it's that same principle with digital marketing. You need to look at the whole digital channels that are available at your disposal. Can I point out, they are free. Whereas with the old flyers, we used to spend a lot of money to promote our business, trying to print a stack of flyers like this. These days, Twitter is available, Facebook is available, and so on. So if you were to promote your business and showcase and tell people about your product, would you just write one tweet? Are you then marketing your product digitally if you're just sending one tweet and praying for the best? So in the next coming videos, we're going to look more in details how we can help you digitally market your product or services in a successful way. Thank you.